In this video, I'm going to show us how to create a user. Okay, so to create a user, we need to go to the settings module. So once you're in the settings module, there are two ways you can get to the users table. You can either come here, click on users, or you can click on manage users. But I'm going to be clicking here. So once you click on the users menu, it will take you to the users table. And then with this button here, you can create a new user. So I'm going to go create a new user. So I'm going to call this user. The name is test, my test user, test user. And then I'm going to test user.com. And the next thing is that I'm going to select the type of user. So we do implement three types of users: the internal user, portal user, and public user. The internal user is going to always be our choice. The portal user is meant for other purposes and just like the public user as well. So, but let's always try to select the internal user. That's what is applicable to our own use case. So I'm going to, for all of this, I'm going to remove this, put this to restricted editor, remove all of this administrative rights. Now, below here is where the in-situ models and their roles are captured. You can see the SDP means Skills Development Program. This is the skills. Everything you see here are the rules regarding about skills. Here as well is the DG. These are the rules for DG. This is for E2QA and this is for learning program. So let's say we want to create a user and give him a role of skills admin. So you come under SDP and then you select skills administrator. That is all. You save this. Okay. Once this is saved, you can then proceed with assigning a password. To assign a password, you come to action, change password, and then you provide a default password. Let's say password 123. So you click on change. Mind you, the system will automatically, if I create this user without providing a password, the system will automatically send a link to that user's email, to this email, requesting the user to set their own password. But most of the times, we usually create a default password and send to the user, right? Or if the user chooses to use the email that was sent to them to reset their password, that is also fine. So this is basically the workflow, right, for creating a user. We could also go a step further by assigning some preferences. Okay, you can see by default the time zone is Johannesburg. If you want to change the time zone, that is fine. If you want to add a signature to the user, you can upload a signature. If you have the image, you can upload it from your system, the user's signature. So um, um, that is basically it. We can also set a default home action. If I want this guy to always go to the SDF, um, um, go to the SDF dashboard anytime he logs in. So I can do this. Select. You want to create any SDF home action? No. So just select this. Let me see. So let's say it's DG. So DG, this user, anytime he logs in, will land in the DG application as a default homepage. So, but let's leave it clean. So I will save now. So that is the process for creating a user. Thanks.